Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech, where we bring you the very best in home audio and theater innovation. Today, we're reviewing one of the most talked about and ambitious sound systems on the market, the Nakamichi Dragon Home Surround Sound System. This is not just a soundbar, it's a complete wireless surround sound experience with dual 12-inch subwoofers, 4 modular omni-motion reference surrounds, and an ultra-wide 58-inch soundbar. With support for Dolby Atmos, DTS X Pro, and 4K at 120 pass-through, the Dragon promises to deliver theater-level immersion in your living room. But does it live up to the hype? For the next few minutes, we'll break it down in detail, from design and build quality to real-world performance and long-term usability. Buckle up, because this review is going to be as powerful as the system itself. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Nakamichi Dragon looks every bit as premium as its name suggests. The massive 58-inch soundbar houses 14 speaker drivers, including 3 air motion transformer tweeters, and it makes a bold statement in any room. The finish is sleek, the materials are solid, and everything feels carefully engineered. The dual 12-inch wireless subwoofers are equally substantial. They're beautifully built, heavy, and constructed with real wood enclosures that add to the acoustic depth. Then there are the 4 surround modules, modular and rotatable, with dedicated up-firing drivers to reflect sound from the ceiling. These surrounds feature the same high-end aesthetic and feel indestructible in hand. Every piece of the system exudes high-performance craftsmanship, setting the tone for what's to come. Despite its complexity and size, setting up the Nakamichi Dragon is refreshingly simple. All components connect wirelessly, and pairing is as easy as pressing a button, no messy cables running across the room. The main soundbar connects to your TV via HDMI EARC, and it also supports 4K at 120 and even 8K pass-through, making it perfect for modern gaming consoles and streaming devices. You won't find an auto-calibration mic here. Instead, the Dragon uses a visual interface that allows for precise manual speaker placement, level balancing, and distance settings. This hands-on approach works brilliantly and ensures optimal performance in any room. Whether you're in a symmetrical theater space or an odd-shaped living room, the setup adapts with ease, which is rare for systems this powerful. Once the Dragon is up and running, the experience it delivers is nothing short of cinematic. The dual subwoofers go down to 19 Hz, creating a low-end rumble that you can feel in your chest. Action scenes become visceral, explosions hit with thunderous impact, and gunshots echo realistically through the room. Dialogue clarity is excellent too, thanks to the dedicated center channel drivers and the AMT tweeters that deliver crisp, high-frequency detail without sounding sharp or fatiguing. When playing Dolby Atmos or DTS X Pro content, the system creates a 360-degree sound field that is staggeringly immersive. You'll hear helicopters swooping overhead, debris falling behind you, and subtle ambient effects floating through the room. It's an experience that rivals dedicated AV receiver setups, and even surpasses some in terms of cohesion and spatial accuracy. Music playback on the Nakamichi Dragon is equally impressive. The system supports multiple modes tailored for stereo listening, including all-channel stereo, which utilizes every driver to fill the room with balanced sound. The air motion transformer tweeters shine here, revealing delicate detail in vocals, instruments, and reverb trails. Whether you're streaming high-resolution tracks over Bluetooth with aptX HD or connecting via HDMI from a music server, the Dragon offers warmth, clarity, and dynamic range that are rare in all-in-one systems. Bass is deep and punchy without overpowering the mids, and the stereo imaging is fantastic, even when sitting off-axis. Whether you're listening to classical, hip-hop, rock, or jazz, the Dragon handles it all with finesse and authority. Connectivity options on the Dragon are generous but focused on modern setups. You get 3 HDMI 2.1 inputs, HDMI EARC output, optical input, USB, and Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD. There are no analog RCA inputs, but most users won't miss them, especially since an AUX to RCA adapter can be used if needed. Switching between inputs is quick and simple using either the physical remote or the Nakamichi Dragon smartphone app. The app is well designed, offering full access to settings like speaker distance, channel volume, and EQ. The on-screen user interface is clean and intuitive, though there is a slight delay when switching between sources. It's a minor inconvenience in an otherwise flawless user experience. One of the most appealing aspects of the Dragon system is its level of customization. You can fine-tune every speaker's volume, set individual crossover points, and adjust overall EQ levels to suit your preferences. The system offers multiple listening modes, including movie, music, game, and direct modes, each tailored for different types of content. All-channel stereo is particularly fun for casual listening or parties, while the movie mode maximizes dynamic range and spatial accuracy. You also get night mode to compress dynamic peaks and prevent bass from waking the neighbors. The absence of room correction software might concern some, but the manual setup is so comprehensive and effective that most users won't feel the need for auto-calibration. Over extended use, the Dragon continues to impress with its consistency, reliability, and raw power. There are no connectivity dropouts, sync issues, or software bugs. Everything just works. The system feels incredibly responsive, and it adapts well to different types of content and usage scenarios. Whether you're watching an Atmos blockbuster, gaming on a PlayStation 5, or just relaxing with a Spotify playlist, the system delivers every time. The build quality also proves itself over time. Nothing rattles, nothing wears, and everything continues to look brand new. If you've ever dreamed of having a full-blown theater experience without the complexity of separates, this is the kind of system that delivers on that promise and keeps you coming back for more. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Nakamichi Dragon offers outstanding surround performance with real 360-degree immersion, thanks to its discrete surround modules and dual subwoofers. The Air Motion Transformer tweeters bring unmatched clarity and precision. It supports all major formats, including Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro, and it's incredibly easy to set up and use. Build quality is exceptional, and the system is highly customizable. On the downside, the source switching lag could be improved, and the lack of analog inputs may limit users with legacy gear. Also, there's no auto room correction, though the manual tuning is excellent. Finally, the price is steep, but as we'll cover next, it's actually well justified given the performance. So, is the Nakamichi Dragon worth its nearly $4,600 price tag? If you're an audiophile, home theater enthusiast, or someone upgrading from a mid-tier soundbar or AV receiver, the answer is a resounding yes. You're not just buying a soundbar, you're getting a complete wireless home theater solution with true high-fidelity performance. The immersive surround sound, thunderous bass, and pristine dialogue clarity make every movie and TV show a cinematic event. Music sounds open, vibrant, and emotionally engaging. And the convenience of wireless connectivity with the performance of a high-end separate system is almost unheard of. If you want the best all-in-one home theater system available right now, the Nakamichi Dragon should be at the very top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to HiFi AV Tech for this in-depth review of the Nakamichi Dragon home surround sound system. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a deep dive into premium home audio gear. Got questions or your own experience with the Dragon? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time. Keep your sound sharp and your bass deep. This is HiFi AV Tech, signing off.